Hey guys, showing you this Syma remote control helicopter. It's model S107H-E aircraft toy. So with the attitude hold, one key takeoff, landing, and all these features are listed here as well. So this is a 3.5 channel, high and low speed, LED light, fly indoor for kids and boys. So here is the chopper, here is the manual. This is the very detailed manual with everything, warranty card and stuff. So this is helpful. And this also have these parts and everything explained here. So these accessory things are, or the remote control is in the back, and you have to take this safety thing to get this helicopter out. So this is all metal, so this is nice in the quality on the top, and then plastic is on the top and on the front like the colored one. Rest of the thing is metal, as you can see. So the accessories have the extra blades, charging cable, and the screwdriver. So the charging, this also comes with an additional battery. So there are two batteries for a longer playtime. You can just replace it. So here you can see that for the battery there is a small socket. So just open up this one and the battery is inside. You can change this battery to replace and then put it back. Just close this chamber and connect it to the helicopter. So this one will connect it here, so the helicopter got the battery backup. And then there is a on and off button, so you can see the frame is like metal here, so this is sturdy. And so on and off button here, so start light blinking, and it will now just tune up with the remote. So once this tune up, you can work on this one. So here is the remote. We need to put in the battery. So the screwdriver is provided. Once you open, you have 4 AA battery thing here that you need to add. The batteries are not provided in the pack, so you have to add these batteries here. So I'm just putting in these 4 AA batteries. You can just be sure like you are putting it in a correct order. Close it, screw that, and then this is all done. So you will see this button on, and then this will get tuned up here, the on and off button, and then we can just up and down thing of this lever will make it done like this, solid light. So yeah, this start working. So one, so it's a one button up and down thing, and can hold at the attitude. You can see it here. You can just move it. So it's pretty much fun, really fast. You can just have fun, rotate here, there, up and down, hold attitude, and then have fun with this RC helicopter.